Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a Fandabbydozy day today. It's coming, Vlogmas is coming, Christmas is coming, and that means we need to start looking at our advent calendars. Now, I'm not going to go through all of the advent calendars that are available on the market. Autumn Beckman has just done a brilliant video about it, and this is, as she has said, you've got to move quickly on some of these because they sell out really quickly. I have chosen 2 this year, and I was going to keep them a secret from you because I'm like that, but I decided that I was going to share them with you, and then if you want to do them with me at the same time as me through Vlogmas, I'm not making any sense, am I? Then I thought I'd give you the opportunity to at least try and get hold of them, and then we can do them together throughout Vlogmas, because that would be fun, wouldn't it? Okay, so Autumn's video is absolutely fantastic. I will have it linked down below. She covers all sorts of categories: beauty, food, pet treats, all of that kind of stuff. Now last year, if you watched my Vlogmas from 2021, you will know that I had 2 advent calendars. I had a gin advent calendar, because I like a little cheeky gin and tonic, and I had a Hotel Chocolat advent calendar, because that's one that I've been having for years and years and years and years and years anyway. Now my sense of taste and my sense of smell at the time was completely, not entirely knocked out, because I had just had the lurgy. In fact, I still had the lurgy going into Vlogmas last year, so frankly I don't know how I got through it, but thank you very much for bearing with me. So having taste flavoury type stuff probably wasn't the best thing, but I had organised them before I came down with the lurgy, so it wasn't exactly planned that way. If you haven't seen my Vlogmas before because you are new to my channel, then hiya, I am Gwenny, and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, then get down there, hit subscribe, ring my bell, so you don't miss out on any of my shenanigans, luxury based or otherwise. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Now, I have decided I am not going to go for another gin advent calendar this year. No, because it was a bust for me. Out of the 25 gins, there were probably 11 that I could actually drink, because the rest of them were all flavoured with rhubarb or orange or all sorts of other flavours, and I like my gin to taste of gin, whether that be heavy on the juniper or heavy on the coriander seeds. You know, I want my gin to taste like gin. I don't want it to taste like lemons or something else. So I am not doing that this year. I am not doing a Hotel Chocolat advent calendar this year either, because I get a lot of Hotel Chocolat as gifts as well, and this year it was really hard to get through them all. I don't know, hashtag first world problems, chocolate lover problems, but I don't want to waste a load of chocolate that I just can't get through, and I'm not willing to go up a couple more dress sizes just because I've got chocolate that I need to eat. So I've got 2 different flavours of advent calendar this year. I toyed with the idea of going for a beauty advent calendar, but I think we saw from my John Lewis summer beauty box with all of the the little tester pieces and everything, there's a lot of stuff in beauty, selection packs, beauty boxes, advent calendars that I just won't ever use ever. So it seemed a bit, again, a little bit of a, was it really worth me going for that? So I've gone for a sweet treat in this one, in this box here. Gone for a sweet treat advent calendar from a brand that I've been keen to try for a while but I haven't tried, and that is, on the box there you can see Candy Kittens, and this is how it comes. It's upside down in the box, but so you can see the box here. We've got Candy Kittens Gourmet Sweets of London, Christmas but make it gourmet. Oh yes, at Candy Kittens we don't settle for average. Developed by our team in London, we blend big flavours, I'm hoping so, with honest ingredients to bring you damn irresistible gourmet sweets, no compromises. Gourmet, question mark, AF. It's giving me big expectations here. So let's get this out of the box. It's very well fitted in there. And in this part of the box here we've got, oh, can you see that? Candy at candykittens.co.uk. Thanks for supporting a young British business, share the love. So socials and website, and along the inside here we've got, it's a vegan recipe, there's no palm oil, it's carbon neutral, and it uses natural flavours and colours. So as long as it tastes good, that is a massive tick in all areas for me. I'm very excited to try this. Okay, so this is a pop-up advent calendar. I've got to build it. That's what it's going to look like, and on the back we've got the tree here. It is an actual tree, and it's got like little drawers in it where your sweeties go. So I think day one of Vlogmas we are going to build this together. I think that'll be quite good fun. The flavours in here are wild strawberry, orchid apple and dragon fruit. Candy Kittens loves, which is like a rainbow one, so I'm expecting a rainbow of flavour from that one. And sweet raspberry and guava and sour watermelon. Now I know they do packets of sweets because I've seen these in the shops for years and I've always wanted to try them. And my box is a little bit damaged up here. That might have happened when I just took it out of the box though. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. I'm excited to build this. I think that's going to be quite good fun. Candy Kittens, what's not to love? Now that Candy Kittens advent calendar is a 25-day advent calendar. I am planning on doing 12 days of Vlogmas this year, so I get to eat 2 of these at a time and then 3 of them on the last day. How exciting is that? The next advent calendar I bought is a 12 days, which I thought would fit in quite nicely. It's in this huge box, which you will have seen from the thumbnail, and I've got to work out how to get into it. Okay, I've got some arrows here. I think they're giving me a clue. Now this one, I missed the opportunity to buy it when it was first launched, because it's when I was ill with a cold and I was not keeping an eye on the website because I was ill with a cold. Let's put that down. Oh, I'm absolutely, there we go. I'm making such a hash of this, it's not true. Okay, I've opened it upside down, but you can see this has come from Harrods. This sold out in hours when it was launched on the 1st of October. Again, what Autumn said, this is a run, don't walk situation when it comes to these advent calendars. Okay, this is a huge box. This is weighty. This is heavy, 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 man. Very well packaged in this recyclable stuff. Cardboard. Doesn't that look beautiful? This is the 12 Days of Fragrance advent calendar from Harrods, and I went for this one because there are a lot of names in perfumery that I haven't tried yet, and I don't have them available to me to go in any local department stores or anything like that to try them. So I thought this would be a good way for me to try out some new fragrances without blind buying big bottles. Blind buying big bottles, ooh, bit of alliteration there for you. So actually Winnie B, LV, should probably have one of these, although she's probably got a lot of these already. Okay, so when you open up the advent calendar, that is a menu, and I am not going to tell you what's in it. And this is how it is presented. Gosh. I mean, they look like decent bottle sizes in here. Let's just take one out and give it a little shake. Yes. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm excited for this. Now, I think I could probably reuse these boxes. It is... I don't know what I was expecting, actually. I don't know if I was expecting one that opened up with drawers that you could pull out. Yeah, I'm not sure. Not sure what I expected at all. But it definitely looks like I could reuse these boxes and reuse this little Harrods box as well. Brilliant. Okay, very, very excited. I'm going to put the menu back in here before I lose it. And then I'll be blind advent calendaring. Now, you will already be aware of this, but there is a vast array of pricing for advent calendars. This one here, this one was £12. Okay, 12 great British pounds for an advent calendar that you make yourself and has got lots of candy in it, but it does have 25 pieces of candy in there. Does it have 25 pieces of candy? Or do you have more than... It treats you to at least 2 sweets a day! So, okay, 12 quid, at least 50 sweets. There you go. That's all right, isn't it? Now this one, as you can imagine, this one was considerably more expensive. It was 10 times more expensive, and then you can add a couple more of these onto that. This was £150. Now, that is a lot of money to spend on an advent calendar, but this is perfume. This is something that I could try. If I don't actually like it, I could pass it on to someone else who might like that fragrance. So it's not something like you take a bite, you don't like it, you have to throw it away and it's gone. So I think that this is actually going to be pretty good value, considering some of the names that are in here and how much those full-size bottles cost. Those are my choices for advent calendars for this year, 2022. Vlogmas is coming. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think of my choices. Let me know what you've got on your radar for advent calendars. Even if you don't have advent calendars or you make up your own, I might still make up my own one as well. We shall see. So let me know all of your advent calendar thoughts down in the comment section down below. Let's have a chat about it. And until I see you, yes you, boop. Oh yeah, definitely go and see Autumn's video. Go and watch Autumn's video. She has covered pretty much everything you could possibly want. And until I see you, yes you, boop. For the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay Fandabbydozy, and bye-bye.